Schluter Systems offers a variety of systems for tile installation, including uncoupling and waterproofing membranes, shower systems, and building panels. Schluter thin-set mortars are specifically formulated for use with these systems to help ensure successful tile installations in a wide range of applications. We have 3 types of thin-set mortar, all available in both white and gray. Schluter Set, a premium unmodified thin-set mortar, specifically designed for use with our boards and membranes. Schluter All Set, a specialized modified thin-set mortar, formulated for use both under and over Schluter membranes and boards. And Schluter Fast Set, a specialized rapid-setting modified thin-set mortar, which can also be used both under and over our systems. Let's get to work. Before starting, refer to the Schluter Systems Installation Handbook corresponding to the system you're installing. When getting ready to prepare our thin-set mortar, be sure to follow all safety instructions as specified on the package. Use suitable gloves, eye, and respiratory protection. It's important to follow mixing instructions to make sure you are getting the best performance possible out of any thin-set mortar. Refer to the back of the bags for mixing instructions, including recommended water ratios. Pour the recommended amount of clean water into a clean pail. Adding the water before the powder will help prevent lumps and ensure thorough blending. Slowly add the powder to the water and then begin mixing. For all 3 thin sets, mix at a slow speed at less than 300 RPMs for 5 minutes. The mortar may appear dry at first, but mixing for the recommended time will typically result in a smooth paste without adding more water. If you are using Schluter Fast Set, once the 5-minute mixing process is complete, you are ready to begin installation. If you are using Schluter Set or All Set, continue on to the next steps. Let the mixture sit or slake for 10 minutes. Slaking allows the water to soak into the powder and activate all the ingredients for optimum performance. Once the slaking period is over, remix the mortar for 3 minutes. Do not add more water after mixing. If the mortar consistency is not suitable for your application, mix a new batch at a different water ratio. Following the 5-10-3 mixing procedure produces the best workability, making the mortar smooth and creamy, as well as easy to handle and spread. It will also help ensure you get the maximum open time and pot life. When installing Schluter membranes, the mortar should be mixed to a fairly fluid consistency, but still able to hold a notch. The maximum recommended water ratio will typically produce a mixture suitable for membrane installation. When setting tile, the consistency should be stiffer. For example, the mid-range of the recommended water ratio is a good place to start for tile installation. The minimum recommended water ratio will produce a much stiffer mixture, suitable for installing large and heavy wall tile when sag resistance is desired. While preparing for your installation, consider the pot life of the mortars. Pot life refers to how long the mortar will remain creamy and workable once it has been mixed in the bucket. For Schluter Set and All Set, the pot life is 2 to 4 hours at standard temperature and relative humidity. The pot life of Schluter Fast Set is 30 minutes. Please note that you can remix the mortar during this time to improve the workability if it begins to get too stiff, but you cannot add more water. Schluter thin-set mortars are the ideal choice when working with Schluter Systems. Our setting materials are engineered to deliver premium performance in conjunction with our membranes and boards. Schluter thin-set mortars. Now you're all set.